Lieutenant Rick Holliday will bring in the colors. Those in the military salute, former military, the rest hand over your heart, please.
Color guard, present colors.
Okay, I would now like to bring up Esther Maestas, carrier at Hammer Ranch Station, to sing us our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
And now I would like to bring up David Maestas, also a letter carrier here in Stockton, to do the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the
United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I would now like to bring up Senior Pastor Michael A. Delgado of the Lighthouse Valley Church, who will do our invocation. Sir.
We're going to bow our heads. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this time that we have to acknowledge this very momentous occasion for the city of Stockton, carrying on a tradition. Lord, we invite your presence over the administration, the executive branch of this administration, Lord, the office workers, the employees. We ask that, Lord, you would give great leadership, that you would allow the leadership to flow not just from down, but from up to the top, that there would be communication, and there would be love that would be spread in this department and every department that's connected to it. We pray that, God, you would give them the ability to do their job with distinction and with honor. And as they touch every home in the city of Stockton, that the homes they touch will be better because they visited. We ask that, Lord, your blessing would be on all the festivities and all the words that are given here today to honor a man, but not just a man, someone who's worked his way up through the ranks. And we ask that you bless him, allow him to hold the torch high. Leadership, one man said, everything falls and everything rises upon leadership. And we ask that his leadership would be good, that he can raise up other leaders to follow in his steps in the future. Thank you, and we give it all in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
holiday. Thank you for a beautiful display. At this time, would you please retire your colors?
Color guard, retire colors.